And then if we see that that doesn't work, then we make the net smaller and smaller until we catch fish. Now, once we have caught some fish in the small net, then we can start expanding the net, making it bigger and bigger and bigger, and get more and more fishes to watch our videos. That's amazing. But how does that translate? Well, it's easy, because the net that I'm talking about will be your niche. You need to just think and objectively look at where you are and where you want to be, and then decide whether your current niche will get you there. And if you have the right niche, you need to decide how big that niche is. If it's too small, then you might want to widen that, get a bigger net. If it's too wide, but you still don't get anything, try and make it smaller. Please do not treat your viewers as fish. They are the lifeblood of your business and mine. I hope that you found this informative. Have a wonderful day.